personnel, the technical expert, and all of them. And the Chaitanya School of Bharatanatyam, Srimati Natya Kala Ratna, Srimati Rajeshwari Sukara. She is the founder director of the school, and both in Bangalore and Chennai. And she has been training students in both her centers. A number of them have been performing all around India as well as abroad. And coming to her tutelage, she has been under the guidance of late Padma Shri Dandayudapani Pillai and Kalaima Mani Srimati Surya Santanam. She has also choreographed a number of concepts like Panchali Sabadam, Arubadai Vodu, Nariya Pandirkanga. She has also been a recipient of a number of awards like Natya Kala Ratna, Nritya Shiromani, Natya Kala Saratya, சொல்லிட்டே போலாம். And இன்னைக்கு வந்திருக்கிறது திரிதேவி அப்படின்னு ஒரு மார்க் ப்ரோக்ராம் பண்றதா அவ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸை கூட்டிட்டு வந்திருக்காங்க. And இது லைவ் ஆர்கெஸ்ட்ரா எடுத்து வந்திருக்காங்க. The accompanying artist for her would be Guru Srimati Rajeshwari Sundaraman will be on Nakrangam. Sri Samaya Kumar will be on Vocal. Sri Paris D. Mahesh will be on Narvangam. Sri Rajashekar will be on Violin. Students patti Shishya patti solrona Srimati Jayashree P. Ashwin. She is an engineering graduate and she is working and she is working as a data engineering specialist in agriculture. Neela Rakshi, the குழந்தை நமக்கு வந்து நியூ இயர் வந்து ஆடினா, she is here again. அப்ப 12th level முடிச்சிட்டு வந்தா, இப்போ now she is doing her BCom in Anandanath College. Then Harini, she is doing her bachelor's in statistics in Vaishnav College. And Srinita, இதுதான் இருக்கத்திலேயே குட்டி doing her 7th class in DLE school. But the passion, love and dedication towards this form of art is seen in all of them. எல்லாருமே 8-9 வருஷமா கத்துண்டு ரெண்டு பேர் அரங்கேற்றம் பண்ணிருக்கா, கச்ச பூஜை பண்ணிட்டு they have been performing in many places all over India.